Welcome to PFTV. Speti nengomashe, nengomashe. We just beat it, Chippa United 2-0 in Danga. Thoughts on the game?
Ngijabule kakhulu. I think it was not an easy game, to tell the truth. I think we were playing so well first half, but we were not creating chances. Like ntanga mesingathusi, mesingabonakala ngathi sizoscore cause ichipper like meyivalile yangithola. It was compressing. But I think second half ntanga the introduction yabo Makaula, Ngwanasisa Police, mind you, a Police and Ngwanasisi scored. Yangithola change the tempo of the game because first half mesidlala kahle, mesinga create ama chance, but second half I think we were too dangerous. I think ngijabulile futhi, ngijabulile.
Introduction yaka Kathleen Makaula, no, is one of your favorite players as well. Yangithola into enjani. What your thoughts on his cameo? And were you happy to see him?
Yo ntanga mengijabule kakhulu. Mengijabule makasayo womapha la. Isithina sakamahlalela sibadala sibancane. Ntanga I was happy to see him because angithi we are league contenders. We want to win the league. It's happy to see our players babuya back. Yes, I don't think uyenza izinto ezibhaya today. It's been a while since aqina ukudlala, but I'm happy to see him. There was nothing much which was supposed to be done from his side, but I think it was just an average game for him.
Yeah. And then your man of the match today?
Mina ntanga yazi mengithe uHotho ne, because I think Hotho played so well. When we need the line ntanga yo. First half I think intanga lo yamuntu lo yawu cause amabhola abo ma5 every time because sina ntanga mesingasi threat first half, but we always had uHotho. Second half ntanga uRile uphahlaza iwindow between uRile noHotho. Yes, they can overlook uRile, but I think uRile ntanga ubuyile now. At least we can see the element of Ivala. Ntanga who can pass that ball. Window phukile la, and like when we get that goal, it was easy to get a second goal. But for me, the man of the match was Hotho ntanga. Hotho played so well.
And then we saw MasterChef on the 10 in Danga. It was my favorite. It was my man of the match. It's interesting your thoughts in Danga on the ring on MasterChef because I saw him pull window a couple of times. So you saw Guti there's no space, but somehow Yangtola he finds space. Yangtola. What do you think of MasterChef namhlanje?
Let him cook. We are paying MasterChef. I think like ile ntaka yenze squadini. But mina I'll still say now, as much as adlale kahle, but mina for iBucks I need to see him as an 8. Uyangithola, because I think like itempo yeBhakania netempo ye-squad is too different. eBhakania like it's high. Uyangithola, because we have umremba igijima but esquadini irelaxile. But today like he played so well intanga, like mekathola like ipace esingatholakali. Every time uTalente Mbatha mekafuna ukumthola phakathi, as much as it was compressed, him and Rile they were playing ama 1-2s amnandi. I think he played so well naye. I was surprised kumbona ukuthi bamkhiphile. I think Masinde was off today. Uye mekumele bamkhiphe vandag.
And then we saw ukuthi Umbokazi is leaving us in Tanga. Yangithola. Amabhakani obviously they have their opinions. Yangithola. What's your thoughts on that move?
I think it's long overdue Ntanga. He deserves Ntanga. Ntanga like lo yamuntu lo yamfethu u deserve kuyodlala nabo Aragule. U deserve kuyodlala nezinja bo Rodrigo because like uboy uyaspana mfethu. Like lo muntu lo ufike last season njengoba utatana shilo during the season. Then uqala ngebhande first of the season. Udlala isquad usisa ku World Cup like no one doesn't know Umbokazi la. Intwana yami nabo 9 makizokutshela ngo TLP uyangithola like the impact which he has made since afikile. I think we deserve kuyodlala le ntanga, like nathi we need players abroad so that like i-country yethu izokhula because makelo bahleli la I don't think ibhola lasekhaya lizokhula. Akahamba umfana yodlala a represent i-country, a represent iBhakania. We wish him all the best.
Wish him all the best in Tanga. Last question in Tanga. We saw Ngwanasisi coming in for Mbuthuma namhlanje. Yangithola. Thoughts on his cameo?
Ngwanasisi akanamathephi yini le. I think naye Ntanga he was a game changer today because like yes angeke umthole every time eboxing, but like the impact which he brings into the game presence. I'll always say that you'll see ukuthi uSkomoto ukhona uzomthanda uzomzonda uzomthanda uyangizwa because I think Ntanga like na mekalivulele kahle ibhola nale pass le akayiphase who's this John Wick uMasinde was supposed to unleash aka-unleashanga. second half ntanga makuqeda ungena bongwanasisi I think igame ibeyavuleka kakhulu. I think he plays so well and make esquadini ntanga believe you me ubuya la ekadlala kakhulu.
Alright, thanks Nengo Bopha.
Bopha.